Okay, man, this is a different type of video. It's on a different type of time, man. This video is not about much of nothing. This is for the guys who comment on all the videos and the posts and the community tab, man. I appreciate all you guys. This video is really for you guys. You know what I mean? It ain't for anybody who's passing through. But if you are passing through, thank you for checking out the BSD4 channel, which we make junk builds like these things that are around here. So let's get back to the issue, man. What would you guys do? I'm asking this question because it's very, very problematic in the car community with guys like myself that see something and then you buy it and then you take the money that you're supposed to put into this project, you know, like this project into there, but now you're gonna run it and put it over here. Let me further explain. I was going to do the PI head swap. I got bored. It just wasn't tasty enough. I didn't really care about the views. I was not feeling it. You know what I mean? It just wasn't, I just didn't care. People were doing this. People have done it. And I just don't care for the swap as I thought I did. I got everything I needed to do. I may still continue on with it. So we're going to be taking out this transmission and put it inside here because we're going to be putting this engine inside here. We need a 5-speed to complete this project, and we're going to be taking from this project. But then again, this project is sitting here. We need another engine to put in here because I don't want to do the PI head swap. I just know I didn't want to do that. So went to the junkyard today and I went to go get some parts for this so I can finish this. A lot of fails behind the scenes. Be on another video, because we're trying to get these things here to actually operate and function. So that's what we've been doing. A lot of fails behind the scenes. So lo and behold, we go to the junkyard, right? And we see an engine. Now I wasn't looking for no engine, and that car came in yesterday and I saw it today. So the car has not even been in the junkyard for 24 hours really. And I see this engine. And I'm like, wow, I'm over here just trying to mind my business and get some parts and everything, and I see an engine. Now, my man 4Blue, me and him was speaking on doing some business. Now, you see how things get messed up, 4Blue? With that said, the engine is running, it's oily, it's everything. All I need to do is to freshen it up, not to break it down like how I did this one. Now, this engine here cost me 200 bucks. I can get that engine running for 200 bucks, maybe $3. You know what I mean? Now, $300, I had everything that I need on an engine that I know is running versus something that I had no clue if it ran. All the problems with that. So, the thought now, since I just came from the junkyard getting my parts, is to slap that engine in here. Maybe I have to change the oil pump and oil pan, maybe. Don't know yet. We tackle that when we get to that part. But for the most part, that's what may happen, or what I may want to do, or I don't know. The question is, what would you do? All right, now you guys, it's very important, man. You got to leave a comment in the comment section, man. I just want to know, because this is why most of my projects get done, because of things like that. I'm going to be messing, you know, I get that engine, I bring it home. I'm supposed to be doing this. Now I'm more focused on getting that engine cleaned up and freshened up. It just doesn't stop, bro. So I need you guys to comment below, man. Let me know what you guys think. Please, let me know. Very, very important, man. It's very important, and all of us go through this type of situation. Real car guys go through this situation. Heavy. We take parts off another car to fuel another project, and then we see something, and then we want to put that in it. Oh, man. Don't even bother, man. Leave a comment below. Let me get back to doing this build here so I can show you the video on that. Once I figure out how to do it, there's a lot of fails, like I mentioned, so many fails. So we'll get back to that, man. So I did say I was going to get a 3-valve to put inside of that Arrow, but this engine here, he wants $400. Over there, I can get that engine for $2 or $3. That is a discount no matter how you spin it. Now, I really don't feel like patronizing this guy and giving him $400 of my money, because the other day, if you guys remember one of the last videos, I should have stole some parts because he was being a prick on the prices, man. I just was like, yo, why are you doing me like that? You know, I just didn't understand that. So scratch the 3-valve situation for right now. I'm not going to buy it from this place, and that's why I switched gears and started thinking about something else that was presented to me when I went to the other junkyard. Okay, I'm trying to get parts for that IMR, you know what I'm talking about, that intake manifold stuff that we took out of this aviator right here. Even got, you know, they've been taking little pieces off of it, but yeah, obviously this engine was bad, right? and we took the engine out and everything. $200 engine, 200. So then we started going around there looking for, like I said, I was looking for parts. I went and I got these little things here to try out this little theory that I got going on. That'll be on another video. And then we seen another aviator. So this one is all together. This one freshly in. It looked like it's been abused as far as like the wetness of the valve covers, like even around here. Hey, but we see some little, look what they did back here. You see that? Wow, boy. Man, that's how they do it, huh? So what we're going to do is we're going to inquire about this. We definitely need this air box. We definitely need this air box. So somehow we got to take this air box. And I think this time I may ask for the harness. We may get the harness this time. So I'm just going to try to figure out what happened to it. It doesn't say anything. Let's see. I'm sure the engine is beat. I'm sure of it. Let's see. Definitely a woman had it. 05 Aviator. It doesn't say nothing. Don't know. The interior, typical. Even had the keys in it. Damn, we could probably make this thing run, maybe. Probably we can hear. That's where I'm gonna probably go. I'm gonna go ahead and inquire about it and see what happened. It's just a lot of oil. Now we don't even know if the engine was knocking or anything. You know, it's like, again, like I said, we can get another one. You know, it's $200, man. $200 is really nothing as far as when we talking about engines. You know what I mean? But as you know, something is wrong with it. So we definitely can open it up and see what is going on. Now, to my man Ford Blue, we still doing a deal, man. I'm just, you know, I came here. I wasn't searching for this. This just came here, brother. I didn't, you know what I mean? I didn't really plan on this. Trust and believe me, man. I just went to the junkyard, going to find a few things for this, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, and I just stumbled upon another one of these engines here that I can get for cheap. That's where I'm at with it. And like I mentioned, man, with this whole video, this is why my projects do not move forward. There's always a little thing that you say, you know what, let me get this now because it may not be there later on. You know what I mean? Okay, it only costs $200, but it's a setback a little bit on the progress on the project. Even though $200 ain't gonna make or break any project really. To be honest, you know, it's like thousands of dollars that make or break a project, but you know, $200 on my end doing these type of builds is like a lot of money. It slows the process on getting this thing actually done in a nice, timely manner. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm still working on this, like I mentioned a whole bunch of times. I'm moving this to this side because it's going to be on this side. I got to run a hose inside there. The other part is inside the car. I'm testing it, doing different things. I even think the footage is missing on some of this stuff, but I'll reiterate all of it on another video, and we'll try to get this stuff worked out, man. So, man, thank you guys for watching this episode of Build Something TV. Hope you guys can enlighten me this evening. Please, man, drop a comment below on this subject. What would you do if you were presented with that kind of issue right about now and you were building like multiple cars? You know what I mean? Would you let it just sit there? Let it just sit? Or would you just say, you know what, let's go ahead and pick up that thing and put it in the back of the garage there, let it sit, and then we continue on? Let me know. Drop a note in your comments, man, and we'll see how this would really actually work, man. I just want to see what guys would do this, you know what I mean? Because some guys will not. You check the comments on this video. Some guys will just say, you know what, leave that engine and keep moving. Watch, there will be a few guys saying that. So just check out the comment section in the video and comment on the other guy's comment, and you guys can go back and forth and see what's going on. So we'll see you guys on the next one, man. All right, later.
Sport cars are not popular right now, the little two-place cars, but if you build the right thing when the things are unpopular, that's the time to go build something.